how to find SMS sound settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First, just open Truecaller and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and then click the settings icon here, and after that click sounds, and here is it. Here we'll find it, and here you can change it, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and if you want to change it, just click on it, select settings, and that's it, as you see, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.